Hey there. Ready to decode AI and see how it's going to change your world? We're diving deep into this article you said.
Oh, yeah.
Why learning AI is a must in today's world. And trust me, it's not just hype.
Right.
AI is already here, and it's only getting bigger.
It's true. AI is becoming essential knowledge, not just a tech industry trend. Think about it. What happens when machines start thinking? We're talking about a whole new set of skills needed for the jobs of tomorrow. Not to mention how AI will impact all of us as citizens.
Okay, so first, let's break down what AI actually is. It's more than just robots and science fiction, right?
Right. The article describes AI as a program that learns from data to do things humans do,
Yeah.
but way faster and on a massive scale. It's like having a digital apprentice that never gets tired and keeps getting smarter.
So it's not just about pre-programmed commands. It actually learns and adapts.
Exactly. Think about self-driving cars. They use AI to see the road, but it's not like someone wrote a code for every possible scenario. The AI is trained on tons of data, so it learns to recognize patterns and make decisions in real time.
That's amazing. So what are some other ways AI is already impacting our lives? The article mentioned healthcare and finance, right?
Those are big ones. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier. Imagine an AI that can analyze medical images and spot tiny cancer cells before they're even visible to the human eye.
Wow, that could be a game changer for so many people. What about finance? How is AI changing things there?
Well, think about all the financial transactions happening every second. AI can analyze that data in real time to detect fraud that humans might miss. And it's not just catching the bad guys. AI is also helping people make smarter investment decisions.
It's almost like having a personal financial advisor, but powered by super smart algorithms. And the article mentioned that global spending on AI is projected to hit almost $100 billion by next year.
Yes, that shows you how serious businesses are about AI. It's not a fad, it's a fundamental shift in how we solve problems and create value.
And it's not just high-tech industries that are being affected, right? The article also talked about manufacturing.
Absolutely. Manufacturing is actually one of the earliest adopters of AI. Robots powered by AI can do repetitive tasks much faster and more accurately than humans. This makes factories more efficient and less prone to errors.
So AI is making its way into all these different industries, changing the way things work. But what does that mean for the average person? Why is it so important for me, the listener, to understand AI?
It's not just about working in AI, it's about living in a world where AI is everywhere. Think about it, eh?
Yep.
You probably already use AI every day without even realizing it.
Oh, yeah. Like when I ask my smart speaker to play music or get directions, it's easy to take those things for granted. But they're all powered by AI.
Exactly. And as AI becomes more sophisticated, it will impact even more aspects of our lives, from the way we shop to the way we learn to the way we interact with each other. AI will be shaping our experiences.
Okay, I'm starting to see the bigger picture here. But understanding AI seems like a daunting task. Where do I even begin?
Well, the good news is that there are tons of resources available. From online courses to community forums, you can learn at your own pace. And you don't need a PhD in computer science to get started.
So what would you say is the most important first step someone should take if they want to learn about AI? Should they just dive into a complex course, or is there a more approachable way to start?
I'd say the best way to start is by simply getting familiar with the basic concepts of AI. Think of it like learning a new language. You wouldn't try to write a novel in a language you don't understand, right?
That's a good analogy.
Yeah.
So start with the AI alphabet before trying to write the AI story. What are some resources you'd recommend for learning the basics?
The article you provided actually mentions some great starting points. There are platforms like Coursera, ADX, and Udacity that offer introductory courses on AI and machine learning. And the great thing is that you can learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world.
I love that online learning gives you so much flexibility, you can fit it into your schedule, whether you have a few minutes a day or a few hours a week. And these platforms are designed for everyone, not just tech experts, right?
Exactly. They offer a range of courses, from beginner-friendly overviews to more in-depth technical deep dives. And if you're more of a hands-on learner, there are plenty of online communities where you can connect with other people interested in AI.
Oh, that's a good point. Learning with others can be so much more engaging than trying to go it alone.
Yeah.
The article mentioned Reddit's R Machine Learning as a good community to check out.
Yes, that's a very active and supportive community. You can ask questions, share resources, and even collaborate on projects with other AI enthusiasts from around the world. It's like having a global study group right at your fingertips.
So we talked about learning the basics. But what about staying up to date with the latest trends in AI? It seems like this field is constantly evolving.
It absolutely is. That's why it's important to be a lifelong learner when it comes to AI. One way to stay current is by subscribing to industry blogs and newsletters. There are tons of great resources out there that provide insightful analysis and commentary on the latest AI developments.
I also find that following AI experts on social media can be a great way to get quick updates and insights. It's like having a direct line to the people who are shaping the field.
And don't forget about attending conferences and webinars. These events offer a chance to hear from leading AI researchers and practitioners, network with other professionals, and get a firsthand look at the latest innovations.
So, to recap, the key to preparing for an AI-powered future is to start learning the basics, connect with others, and stay curious. But beyond the technical skills, there's something else that's really important to consider, right?
Yes, absolutely. We've talked about the how of AI, but it's equally important to think about the why.
Hmm.
What are the implications of this technology? What kind of future do we want to create with AI?
Those are big questions.
Mhm.
I guess it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of AI and forget about the potential downsides. But we need to be mindful of the impact it could have on society.
Exactly. We need to be thinking critically about how AI is being developed and used, and making sure that it aligns with our values.
So it's not just about learning the technical skills, it's also about developing a deeper understanding of the societal and ethical implications of AI.
Precisely. And that's a conversation we can all participate in, whether you're a tech expert or just someone who's curious about the future. Your voice matters.
That's empowering to hear.
Yeah.
It means that we all have a role to play in shaping the future of AI. But where do we go from here? What are some specific things listeners can do to get involved in this conversation?
Well, one of the most impactful things you can do is
Yeah,
simply start talking about AI with the people around you. Have conversations with your friends, family, and colleagues about the potential benefits and challenges of AI.
I love that idea. It's easy to get caught up in our own bubbles. But these conversations can help us broaden our perspectives and consider different viewpoints.
Absolutely. And you don't need to be an AI expert to have these conversations. Just sharing articles, podcasts, or even just your own thoughts and questions can spark meaningful discussions.
It's about creating a collective awareness,
Right.
recognizing that AI is something that will affect all of us,
Yeah.
and therefore, it's something we should all be thinking about and discussing.
Precisely. And beyond these personal conversations, you can also engage with the wider AI community. There are tons of online forums, social media groups, and even local meetups where you can connect with people who share your interest in AI.
Those can be great spaces to learn from others, ask questions, and share resources. It's like building your own AI support network.
Exactly. And don't underestimate the power of simply staying curious. Read books, watch documentaries, listen to podcasts. Man, there's a wealth of information out there to help you deepen your understanding of AI.
It's like we've been saying throughout this deep dive. Learning is a continuous journey. And with AI, that journey is filled with fascinating discoveries and endless possibilities.
And as you learn and explore, don't be afraid to share your own thoughts and perspectives. Write blog posts, create videos, participate in online discussions. Your voice matters.
That's such an important message. It can feel overwhelming to think about the scale of AI's impact. But each of us has the power to contribute to the conversation and shape the future we want to see.
Absolutely. And remember, the goal isn't necessarily to become an AI expert. It's about becoming informed, engaged citizens who can navigate this AI-powered world with confidence and contribute to its development in a positive way.
So to our listeners, we encourage you to take the first step. Start a conversation, join a community, explore a new resource. The world of AI is vast and ever-evolving, and the more we learn and engage, the better equipped we'll be to navigate the exciting possibilities that lie ahead.
And remember, the future of AI isn't predetermined. It's being written right now, and each of us has a role to play in shaping that story.
That's a powerful thought to leave us with. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shaping the future you want to see.